Alright guys, welcome back. Today is December 21st. We're going to go ahead and open up door number 21. Let's see what sauce is in there. Alright, for number 21 we have Rudolph's Red Nose Maker Red Jalapeno Hot Sauce. On the side it says, as Christmas Eve draws nearer, it becomes time to prime Rudolph's famous red nose glow. Santa uses the fruity flavors of the red jalapeno to get Rudolph's nose fired up and ready to guide the sleigh. It's got a strong vinegary smell. Tastes a lot like a cayenne hot sauce, but it is a little bit tangier. Overall, it's not too spicy. It kind of tastes similar to the cayenne one with horseradish. Alright, let's see what the ingredients are. Here's the ingredients for Rudolph's Red Nose Maker Hot Sauce. Distilled vinegar, aged green jalapeno peppers, salt, xanthan gum, citrus, and ascorbic acid. So I guess they take green jalapenos and age them until they're red, maybe? This one's not too spicy, so I could get one more taste. Alright, thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow. We're going to do door number 22.